Alright, so if you're facing a payment issue on Scribd, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when your subscription doesn't go through. But don't worry, most payment problems are easy to fix if you follow the right steps. First, double-check your card number, expiry date, and CVV to make sure everything is correct. Make sure your card or payment method has enough balance or hasn't reached its limit. If your payment keeps failing, try using a different card or payment method. Some banks block international payments by default, so make sure this option is enabled. If you subscribed through Google Play or Apple App Store, check your billing settings there. Clear your app cache or update Scribd to the latest version to avoid technical errors. Turn off any VPN you're using, because it can sometimes cause payment failures. Now try making the payment again after fixing these issues. If it still fails, your bank might be blocking the transaction, so contact your bank support. And if nothing works, contact Scribd support and explain your payment issue. And yeah, that's how you fix Scribd payment issues step by step. One of these solutions usually solves the problem quickly.